Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike proves to be a game changer for urban commuting and recreational riding. With its robust 1000W motor, this e-bike delivers impressive power that propels it to speeds exceeding 30 miles per hour, making it a thrilling ride for those seeking both leisure and efficiency. The bike's design is sleek and modern, but what truly stands out is its folding capability, which makes it incredibly convenient for storage and transportation. One of the key features of this bike is its 48V 20AH removable battery. This battery not only provides a remarkable range of up to 80 miles on a single charge but also allows for easy detachment, making it simple to charge indoors. I've found this feature especially useful, as it eliminates the hassle of lugging the entire bike to an outlet. The battery life is impressive. I frequently use the bike for my daily commute, and I can confidently say that the range is more than adequate, even with some steep hills along my route. The bike's construction feels solid and reliable, with a sturdy frame that can easily support my weight without feeling flimsy. The adjustable seat and handlebars offer a customizable fit, ensuring comfort during long rides. Additionally, the front suspension absorbs shocks effectively, enhancing the riding experience on uneven surfaces. While the bike is on the heavier side due to its powerful motor and battery, its foldable design makes it manageable. I can easily fit it into my car trunk or store it in my apartment without taking up too much space. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile e-bike. Its combination of speed, range, and portability makes it an excellent investment for both daily commuters and weekend adventurers. If you're considering an electric bike, this model is certainly worth serious consideration.